Today it's time to learn about the human ear. So you're going to learn today about how you actually hear. Okay, these are like dumb jokes. You can feel free to read them and laugh. Ha, 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 ha. Okay, all right, so here's how it goes. The ear is divided into three sections: the outer ear, the middle ear, and the inner ear. So each part of the ear has a specific purpose. All right, so you see here's the outer ear, and then the inner ear, the outer ear is here, then this is the middle ear, and then the inner ear is here. And so we're going to go through this video and learn what each part does. Okay, so starting with the outer ear, if you think about like a satellite dish and how it collects radio waves or TV waves, that's what your ear does. That's why your outer ear has that shape, and it takes the sound waves. And remember, the sound waves are compression waves. Remember the particles of matter that are being pushed together and spread apart through the energy of sound. Those waves and those compressions come right through this tube right here. This is called the ear canal. So then this middle ear here gets hit by these waves, all right? And what happens is that this right here is a membrane. It's a thin piece of like cartilage, and it's flexible. It gets hit, and it sends the vibration to the hammer, the anvil, and the stirrup. These are really, really tiny bones. They're about the size of an orange seed. And you can think of this eardrum as being like the window in our initial model when we heard the speaker from the truck and it vibrated the air and then the window vibrated. That's what's happening in your ear. See how small the stirrup is? This is a dime, you guys. Look how tiny that is. So here come the sound waves. They hit the membrane. They make the bones vibrate. Okay, so here we are in the inner ear. There's two main parts, the cochlea, right here, the cochlea, this part, okay, and then this auditory nerve. Now, if you go inside the cochlea, there's like 7 billion other parts. You don't have to worry about those, although they are fascinating, but you don't have to worry about them. We're only concerned about the cochlea and the nerve. So the cochlea is coiled like a snail shell. It has like 30,000 hair cells. It's filled with fluid, and these are the hair cells. And so the fluid is being pushed by the sound waves, and these move. These are moved by the vibrations. And then what happens is that they stimulate the nerve, and the nerve sends those signals to your brain, and your brain says, oh, that signal, that's a word. It means this. Or, oh, that signal, that's a song or a dog barking or a siren. So your brain interprets the waves that are coming through the cochlea here. A sound is not actually heard until the brain receives it and gets that signal. Okay, so you can see the ear, here's the cochlea, the sound comes in here and it goes to this part of your brain right here. And that's where you actually interpret what the sound means. This link to this video is in Canvas. So here's the ear. And just go ahead and rewatch this if you need to, or watch some other videos to learn how it works. And I hope you enjoyed this and learned a little something about how your ear